Hey everyone! Today, I am thrilled to show you how to create cinematic AI videos with Pika Labs. There have been remarkable innovations with this tool, and the results we are getting are on the verge of cinematic excellence. Before we get started, if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI tools and improve your skills in using them, this channel is a perfect fit for you. We consistently share updates and provide easy-to-follow tutorials on how to make the most out of AI tools in the current landscape. Don't forget to please click the subscribe button. Your support empowers us to keep producing educational videos like this one. Now, let's get started. To start, the initial step in achieving a cinematic results involve using a cinematic image as your starting point. When it comes to generating cinematic images, I prefer using Leonardo AI because it often delivers excellent results. This recommendation is particularly relevant for those who are looking to utilize the free account option, as platforms like Midjourney can be quite costly. If you are just creating these images for fun, Leonardo AI is an excellent choice. I won't go into all the nitty-gritty details of how to generate cinematic images with Leonardo AI here. For more comprehensive instructions, you can check out our video titled How to Create Cinematic AI Images Without Using Midjourney. In that video, you will find a step-by-step guide on creating cinematic images. However, in a nutshell, the process typically involves inputting a cinematic image and providing descriptions related to composition, lens type, and color grading. This approach helps transform your image into a cinematic style that aligns with your creative vision. So, since I have already generated my images, all that is left to do is save these photos on my computer. Now, let us move on to Pika Labs. Pika is accessible through Discord. So, if you haven't already joined the Pika Discord server, it is a straightforward process. Simply log into your Discord account and join the Pika Discord server. To transform an image into a video using Pika Labs, navigate to one of the generate channels on the left-hand side, input /create, and you are all set to direct your scene. First, upload your image by selecting the image option. Drag and drop your cinematic image into the window. So for example, I will be using this image I have downloaded earlier in the Leonardo AI platform. Following that, utilize the prompt to articulate the actions you wish to include in the video. In our example, given the dramatic image with the man looking to the right, you can incorporate prompts like slow motion, hair flowing, and subtle cloud movement in the background. You also have the option to specify frames per second, control camera movements such as panning, zooming, or rotating, and employ negative prompts to eliminate undesired elements for superior output quality. When you are prepared, press the Enter key and allow Pika to perform its enhancement. Typically, this process takes approximately 30 seconds. The video's quality may not be up to par. Now, we also have access to an AI tool that can significantly enhance video quality. The platform I'll be using for this purpose is Topaz Video AI, and I have created videos explaining how to use it, which you can check out for more tutorials. Moving forward, let us enhance the cinematic quality with the help of Topaz Video AI. Simply drag and drop your video into the tool, and then fine-tune the settings to boost the resolution. For instance, if you're working on an HD project, consider upscaling it to 4K. This step ensures that you achieve the highest quality possible, which you can later scale down if needed. Choose the Proteus model, configure the output settings, and export the video. Finally, preview your final result, and you will notice a significant improvement in the cinematic quality. That's a wrap. You have unlocked cinematic quality using Pika Labs. Feel free to experiment with various camera movements and prompts to fine-tune your results and enhance the video's quality. I am genuinely thrilled to hear your thoughts on this. Are you as astonished as I am at how effortlessly your cinematic images transform into professional quality videos without requiring excessive effort? I encourage you to give this platform a try and explore the creative possibilities it offers. After you have given it a go, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am eagerly looking forward to hearing your feedback. Your insights and experiences might be beneficial to others who are interested in trying it out as well. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.